guys, I'm Christina from The Organic Spade and welcome back to my channel. What I have for you today is another plant mail. So this time it's, well actually it's another Alocasia. I love jewel Alocasias and I just wish I could have them all if I ever do find them. And I was lucky enough that the Alocasia Nebula was all over Facebook. So I went and got myself one. Now this has come from another Facebook seller. If you've seen my Silver Dragon unboxing video, that was a different Facebook seller and this is a different one. I want to try her out as well, and this is actually the second plant that I have got from her. I did get two Silver Dragons. So one was from Wushu's Garden, which is the unboxing video I have on my YouTube channel in case you want to check that out. And then I got another Silver Dragon from her. Her name is Deepthi. She is also a Facebook seller. I don't think she's on Instagram though, so you will have to check her out on Facebook. I will definitely leave her link below for you. I've had a good experience with the Silver Dragon I bought from her. She really packaged it well, and I decided, now that she has a Nebula, why not get that one as well. So it's arrived today. I'm a little nervous, to be honest, because the plant actually reached the city yesterday at 8 a.m. and it was marked for delivery yesterday at 10 a.m. but I only received it like now, today. Okay, so it's a day late, and everybody knows Alocasias are such sensitive plants, so I am really scared, really nervous of what condition the plant is going to be in. But let's just start. Let's just get this box opened and see. Okay, so I have my handy scissors with me, and as usual, you guys are going to watch me struggle to get this open. I'll try and be quick, or I will either fast forward this part for you if I'm struggling too much. It looks like a little bit of soil is falling out of the box. So last time when I got the Silver Dragon from her, she sent it to me bare root. That was less messy. This time she said that she's sending me the Nebula in a pot. She did mention though that I would have to repot it because it has the net pot inside. So I would have to remove that and repot it. Let's see. I don't think I would want to repot it now because it's already stressed. But I'm keeping my fingers crossed because these the Nebulas that were actually available on Facebook this time. I checked out a lot of sellers to be honest, and all of them seem to have like the same kind of plant condition. So I don't think they received the plants very well from whoever they got it from, the grower. But anyway, I really wanted it and I decided to take the risk and see if I can revive the plant. Why do I always struggle with opening packaging? Maybe I'm doing it wrong. Okay, I'm just gonna do this. Yeah, this. No, I'm still struggling. This is gonna be messy. Alright. Yep, that's all soil. Here it is, covered in cardboard. Oh no, all the soil is out of the pot. This guy has really been through a lot. I'm scared. I'm so nervous. Oh, poor baby. So here it is. It's a little baby and it's lost half of its soil in here. I'm going to have to give it a wash. I don't know what happened to the plant in transit, but yeah, I think I preferred it better when it was shipped bare root, when the other plant was shipped bare root. But yeah, this is what it is. Not in very good condition, I'd say, but like I said, everybody just received their plants like this. So she sent me a bunch of pictures and then I just left it onto her and told her, just, what, the best one you have, to send that one over to me. all of them had damaged leaves, and well, there's nothing you can do about it. Okay, so even though this is supposed to be like in a pot, the soil has all fallen off and there's hardly any soil in this. So I think I'm going to have to remove the net pot, and I'll stick it in water though. I won't put it in soil. So I saw Kelly Allen's video on what to do when you receive aeroids in mail, and Alocasias are aeroids. They are from the aeroid family. And she said if it comes to you bare root, you should actually put it in water till it, like plumps back up, and then repot it. So I think that's what I'm going to do, because this plant is as good as bare root right now. There is literally hardly any soil in here. I can see the net pot like it's just fallen all over. So I think that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to just stick it in water and see what happens. Okay, so I took out the net pot and washed all the soil off of the roots, and then just put it in this vase of water. Now the sad part is, okay, I will admit, I am just a wee bit disappointed this time because I lost the youngest leaf as well. So I'm left with 2 leaves. So turns out the youngest leaf had also gotten slightly folded in the box, I think, and it had snapped from like right where the leaf was. So I have now lost the youngest leaf. Now the thing with Alocasias, the reason I'm a little scared and disappointed is because with Alocasias, the new leaf grows out from the most recent leaf, right? So this leaf grew out of this one, and the one that I lost, the one that was unfurling, grew out from this one. So now I don't have the youngest leaf for another leaf to grow out from. I just hope that maybe even without the leaf and just the stem is there, if it just puts out a new leaf, I would have some hope that the plant will survive, because I know that both of these 2 leaves are going to fall off. It always happens with Alocasias. It does drop leaves, like the other one that I got, the Silver Dragon, from her itself. The plant came to me with 9 healthy leaves on them. They were healthy leaves, okay? Like these ones aren't that healthy, but those were healthy leaves. And even then, I lost all of them. I was left with just two leaves. Okay, the plant is right here. I'll show that one to you as well. So Alocasias do this. They will drop leaves like this. Okay, so here, this was the Alocasia I got from her, which had 9 leaves on them. I didn't do an unboxing video on YouTube for this one. I did do an unboxing video on Instagram, if you want to check that out, so you'll see what this plant looked like when it came to me. It was in absolute amazing condition, okay, but a sensitive plant, so it did lose all of its leaves, and now I'm just left with this one, which is also going to go. You can see it's already starting to. And I'm left with this one. Now this is the youngest leaf on the plant, which is now putting out a new leaf. So I'm not worried about this. I know that this one is going to die. I know that this one is going to die too. But then I have a new leaf that is going to be growing in my environment, in my conditions at home. So it's going to be just fine. I don't know if you can see the new leaf here. Can you see that little thing there? It's popping out of the stem. I'm not sure if we can see it, but I'll try and get a close-up if it's not that visible. So I'm not too worried about this one, because I know it's already putting out a new leaf that's coming out from this one stem. But I am a little bummed about this one. Okay, so that's it for this time's unboxing video. Oh wait, I think even this one's damaged over. Yeah. Okay, so I just noticed that even this leaf, the nice looking leaf, is snapped right here. Because wondering why it is bending over. So even this leaf is snapped right about here. So now I'm left with a plant with basically no good leaves on it. I am disappointed. There we go. So this is from Deepthi. She normally packages very, very well, and I know she tried her best with this one as well, because she had taped it up, but shipping, things go wrong, packages get manhandled. So I think it's just something like that just happened with this one. So that is it for today. You saw my unboxing video that wasn't that great because the plant ended up not being in good condition and really damaged. I don't know whether it was the shipping or what was it, but anyway, it happened. So yeah, see you guys in the next one that I will hope would be better than this one. I'll have better luck. I really do want this nebula and I want a nice healthy one, so let's see. I'll get one, maybe one more. See you guys. Bye.